So I want to just talk a little bit about spraying this door. I did a video that I posted on social media spraying this door up, and we typically, other than the front door, we spray all of our doors up. Been doing it for 25 years and always had success doing it. One of the keys to doing that, because people keep saying, you know, when you close that door and you spray this door, you're not going to get these edges right here because of the door being closed. What we do is we remove the weather strips, and after you remove the weather strips, it leaves a 1/2 inch gap around this door right here, and that allows the paint to get on the edge of the door. What we do is we put an 1.5 inch piece of tape all around the door frame. We put 1.5 inch tape on the side of the door and then this side of the door, and as you can see, there's no overspray on the hinges or no overspray on the inside of this door. And part of the technique to making this work is you have this little 1/2 inch gap on the sides and the top. I'm not spraying it straight on. My first pass coming up this door is going to be at an angle, slightly going into there. So we're going to get that edge of the door. As I'm coming up, I'm going to be having my gun at an angle shooting up. So it's going to get up in the gap up inside the door there. And then when I do this side, it's going to be angled towards that edge right there. Once you open the door, as you can see, all the edges are completely painted, and we've been doing that for 25 years, and it's a tried and true method that works. Just remove the weather strips. The weather strips, you'll pop out pretty easily, and they push right back in. So the weather strip just pops back in, just like that, on both sides. Now the door will close, and it's painted just perfectly.